Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture we are discussing the different types of software testing. The software testing type is a classification of different testing activities based on categories, each having a defined test objective, test strategy and test deliverables. The goal of having a testing type is to validate the application under The goal of having a testing type is to validate the application under test or AUT for the defined test objective. For instance, the goal of accessibility testing is to validate the application under test to be accessible by the customer. The general classification of software testing based on the mode of operation are manual testing and automation testing. In the manual testing includes testing a software manually, that is, without using any automated tool for any script. In this type, the tester takes over the role of an end user and tests the software to identify any unexpected behavior or bug. There are different stages for manual testing such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. The testers use test plans, test cases, or test scenarios to test a software to ensure the completeness of testing. The manual testing also includes exploratory testing, as testers explore the software to identify the errors in it. In the automation testing, which is also known as test automation, is when the tester writes scripts and uses software to test a product. This process involves automation of the manual process. The automation testing is used to rerun the test scenarios that were performed manually, quickly, and repeatedly. Based on the functionalities, the testing can be categorized as functional testing and non-functional testing. The functional testing is a practice that delivers huge benefits to the development process. When done properly, it increases communication between analysts, developers, and testers. The progress of the entire project is objectively visible at any point in time to management by examining the passing or failing functional tests. Eventually, the speed of the development increases because well-communicated requirement result in less rework. The test also drives a more modular architecture with subsystems that have clear responsibilities. The various functional test types includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, sanity testing, smoke testing, interface testing, regression testing, and beta or acceptance testing. And the second one is non-functional testing. In the non-functional testing, the testing is defined as a type of software testing to check the non-functional aspects like performance, usability, reliability, etc. of a software application. It is designed to test the readiness of a system as per non-functional parameters which are never addressed by the functional testing. The various non-functional testing types includes performance testing, load testing, stress testing, volume testing, security testing, compatibility testing, install testing, recovery testing, reliability testing, usability testing, compliance testing, and localization testing. So my dear students, in this lecture we had discussed different types of software testing. So based on the nature of operation, the software testing is divided into manual testing and automation testing. And based on the functionality, this software testing is divided into functional testing as well as non-functional testing. So my dear students, hope you had understood this topic. So this is just an introduction to different types of testing. So dear students, kindly go through these assignment questions. The questions are: compare the manual and automated testing. And the second one is distinguish between the functional and non-functional testing. So dear students, in the upcoming lecture we will discuss the alpha testing, acceptance, ad hoc, accessibility, beta testing, backend testing, browser compatibility testing, backward compatibility testing, black box testing, etc. So dear students, see you soon. Until then, goodbye, thank you, and all the best.